Hey, it's Tom Tresnick, and your install is tomorrow. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about something I think every homeowner should hear before we show up, because nobody ever tells you this and it catches people off guard. A roof replacement is a demolition. We are tearing the top off your home, and during that process, I want to be straight with you. It's going to look like a mess out there. That's normal. That's the job. Here's what you're going to see during the day. Old shingle tabs coming off the roof and landing in the yard. Those are the small grit-like particles on the surface of the shingles. They'll be everywhere. You'll see felt paper, the black underlayment that sits under your shingles. And yes, there will be nails. Roofing nails end up in the driveway, in the flower beds, in the grass. That's just the reality of a tear-off. If you look out your window at noon and your yard looks like a construction zone, that's not something going wrong. That's the job getting done. Our crew works very hard, and the mess is a sign of progress. Now here's what I want you to know about cleanup. Our crew does a thorough cleanup at the end of every single job. They're going through the yard, the driveway, the flower beds, they're running the magnet for nails. By the time they're done for the day, your property should look significantly better than it did mid-job. But we don't stop there. The day after your crew finishes, one of our team members comes back out to do a final walkthrough inspection of the roof itself and a second cleanup pass on the ground. We want to make sure everything is right top to bottom. After all of that, it's normal to find a nail here or there. But if you feel we've missed a section of your property, we'll come back out and run a magnet again. No hassle, no questions asked. We stand behind the whole job, not just the roof. I've been doing this for over 40 years. A clean job site at the end is something we take real pride in. Tomorrow's going to be a big day for your home, and when it's done, that new roof is going to look incredible. We'll see you in the morning. Thanks for trusting Tresnick Roofing.